Hello, my name is Arvind and I will be teaching you C++. I expect that you have at least a little bit of programming knowledge. In this lesson I will teach you what every C++ program must have and some basic input and output statements. I'm using a web-based compiler which is called C++ Shell. You can just type this into your browser or click the link in the description. If you're using another compiler such as Visual Studio Code, that's okay because we will be writing the same code. If you're using this site, don't change anything and make sure that it is set to C++ 20. In this course, I will teach you C++ 20, which is the latest right now. We say pound include less than sign, IOStream, then the greater than sign. We are saying that we want to include the library IOStream. IOStream is a library that's used for input, output, and more. Every C++ program must have only one main function. We write our code inside the main function. We create a main function by saying int main parentheses curly bracelets. Inside the curly bracelets, we write our code. And then when we're finished our code, when we're done with it, we say return 0 semicolon. What this does is saying that we wrote our code and we are done with it. We use semicolon to end the line. Let's do some basic input and output examples. Like I said, we will be writing our code inside the main function and we will be using IOStream library. First we say std cout. What we are saying by typing this is we want to use the IOStream function which is called cout. Std is saying that we want to use a function inside the IOStream. By saying cout, we're just saying that we want to use the cout function. When we're typing or doing something with cout, we use the extraction operator, which is like this. This is an extraction operator. We use double quotes, and we use two of them, and between them we write our text. Let's say hello world. And then, because we are done with this line, we use semicolon. And then let's run this code. As you can see, it's saying hello world. Like we were expecting it to say hello world. Let's do some input examples. So let's make a program that asks for our lucky number, and then we type our lucky number, and then it will just say your lucky number is, if we type 9, it will say 9. If we type 3, it will say 3. So we will ask for the user for what is your lucky number. So we have to print out what is your lucky number. If we run this, it will just say what's your lucky number. It doesn't wait for us to get any us to type anything. So how do we get what user types inputs? Say std cin. We are saying that we want to use input function of IOStream. It's simple. This is cin, c input. This is c out, c output. Now we don't use the extraction operator. We use the insertion operator, which is like this. Now we have to store what the user typed. How do we do that? First, we have to declare a variable. We say int lucky number. If you don't get what I'm doing right now, it's okay, we will cover it in the next lesson. So then we say lucky number. What we are doing is saying that make an integer that's name is lucky number, and we are storing that lucky input inside the lucky number. Now, how do we say your lucky number is what the user typed in? So first we say std : cout, then the extraction operator. Your lucky number is, how do we say what the user typed? As I said, we stored the input inside the lucky number. So we use the extraction operator and say lucky number. Don't forget the semicolon. If you run this, we'll ask what's your lucky number. Let's say 5. Your lucky number is 5. I will explain the code at the end. If you say 10, your lucky number is 10. Let's try 105. Your lucky number is 105. So what basically this does is we're including the library IOStream, we're creating our main function, we're writing our code inside the main function. First, we output a text that is saying what is your lucky number. Then we make a variable that's integer and it's called lucky number. We make this declare this variable for storing our input. We say std : cin input. Then we store the input inside the lucky number. Then we just print out your lucky number is, use the extraction operator, say lucky number. And then when we're done with our code, we say return 0. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we will cover variables. Thank you.